Okay, we hooked up the linkage today for a throttle cable.
Yeah.
Or a throttle rod, I should say. And we took the shifter off of the side of the steering wheel because we're automatic now.
Okay.
And we're on a budget cut, so I might not put power steering in.
Okay.
And then this is the linkage hooking up to the throttle here.
Okay.
This is all ready and it's adjustable. So the next thing now is once we get the drive shaft done, I'm waiting for U-joints. Then we're gonna put oil in the motor, oil in the transmission, and fill the rad.
Okay.
And I beefed up the hitch here today by welding a chunk of thick wall pipe onto the frame here where it's been cut out with for the drive shaft and the pulley.
Okay.
And welded underneath here. It's all completed.
Okay.
Next is a rad cooler. It's got to go in here. Then we can put the rad door in and hook up the lines for the rad cooler.
Okay.
And we'll just carry on.
Okay. So what's the big project here? What's
The next big project is once we get the drive shaft completed. This transmission came without a yoke, but I had a yoke, spare one, so
Yeah.
we're going to cut the drive shaft and then put power brakes on it with
Okay.
a caliper and a rotor.
Okay.
And other than that, that was it for today.
Okay, so keep bombardiering on. So like, subscribe, comment, let us know how you like the videos. Dad loves the comments and he likes answering questions. Just a reminder, everybody, we do not own the equipment and we love to help out, but that's it.
Come over for a look at the skis today. They're completely rebuilt.
Okay,
And
new
he's
wood.
gonna cut new woods, new irons, and new rods.
Okay,
And he's gonna pick them up in a couple of days.
okay.